So D, why can't you sell this place, man?
What is that?
Oh, that's not what it seems like.
Hey!
Let's make a deal. Let's make this mansion bring us peace.
What are you doing?
I can't have pieces of broken glass on the carpet.
Love.
What happened? Are you okay?
My wife, she was killed in a car accident.
Tom, it's gonna be okay, I promise.
Happiness.
So this is a love shack.
Won't stop till we all rich. Somebody please go and get the waitress. Whole team gotta eat, got them all in the sea. 5 broads in a sweet bud. Never gonna forget about the grind, no. We've been going for years, it's my time, yo. Gotta thank the fans, you know I love them, yo.
Cry! Sorry! Cry, goddammit!
Yeah, my girl's gonna be here any minute. I need to set up.
Are you having a poker marathon?
No, we were just, we kind of became eyes, you know what I'm saying?
And the whole thing different. Then I hopped on stage. And the whole crowd listened.
Welcome to the party. Who are all these people?
This party, dude.
And I ain't never going back. Yeah.
If I get home and Duke's not there asleep, I'ma come back here and I'ma f somebody up.